Welcome to Data Analysis with Python and Pandas. This course is going to give you the tools to analyze data in Python using the immensely powerful and popular Pandas library. I'm Bill Chambers, and I'll be your instructor for this course. This course came about because I've just recently helped edit a book for Pact Publishing titled Learning Pandas, and looked around for some modern video resources that covered the same material. I couldn't find any, so I decided to spend my time recording what I know and making it available to the community. As you can see here, I am a master's student at UC Berkeley School of Information, where I'm studying data science and data analysis. Prior to UC Berkeley, I was a business analyst at a high-growth software company and enjoyed teaching and training others this very same material. Let's go over what's in the course. In this course, you'll get an overall introduction to the ecosystem for data analysis with Python, and we'll learn a lot of the tips and tricks and concepts that will give you the most value while you continue on learning Pandas and doing data analysis. This course is not an introduction to programming or Python, and will specifically focus on using Python and Pandas with a little bit of NumPy in order to strengthen our basic understanding of the principles. There's a lot this course could cover, and unfortunately it cannot cover the entire PyData ecosystem. So who is this course really for? You might be coming from an Excel, MATLAB, or R background and want to learn more about other data analysis libraries or tools in the market today. You also might have some Python experience and want to cut the learning curve by watching videos rather than trying lots of different online tutorials or reading a thick book. This course is not well suited for those that want to learn how to program and have no prior programming experience. By the end of this course, we will have analyzed a data set in a variety of ways using Pandas. We have plotted different kinds of data and charts using matplotlib, and we have learned a lot of the underlying concepts in data analysis. Finally, we will have gotten a full featured tour of Pandas as well. So let's take a look at this general overview. As I said, we're going to start off with data analysis with Python. We're going to jump to studying raw Python. We'll be doing maps, filters, and lambda functions. Then we'll jump into the PyData ecosystem. PyData is really the core layer that a lot of these popular libraries are built upon. Then we'll move on to NumPy, where we'll talk about arrays and vectorization. Then we'll move on to Pandas, touching on the series and DataFrame abstractions. Finally, we're also going to be using matplotlib in order to plot some of the things that we're seeing. And lastly, I just wanted to stress we will not be covering SciPy, nor will we be covering scikit-learn, popular machine learning library in Python. So that's our overview of the course. Again, we're going to be studying raw Python. Then we'll be covering NumPy, Pandas, as well as matplotlib to do a little bit of plotting. Anyways, I hope that you enjoy the course. Please feel free to comment or ask any questions in the forums. Thank you.